Unlocking the potential benefits of ginkgo biloba, a comprehensive review. Ginkgo biloba, a tree native to China, has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine for its purported health benefits. Today, it remains one of the most widely used herbal supplements globally. Its popularity stems from its reputation as a cognitive enhancer and its potential therapeutic effects on various health conditions. This article explores the scientific evidence supporting the benefits of ginkgo biloba, delving into its historical uses, chemical composition, and current research findings. Historical and cultural significance. Ginkgo biloba, also known as the maidenhair tree, holds a prominent place in traditional Chinese medicine (TCM). The seeds and leaves of the ginkgo tree have been utilized for their medicinal properties for over 1,000 years. In TCM, ginkgo is believed to promote longevity, improve circulation, and enhance memory. It was introduced to Europe and the Americas in the 18th century and has since gained global recognition for its health benefits. Chemical composition. The key bioactive components of ginkgo biloba include flavonoids, terpenoids, ginkgolides and bilobolide, and organic acids. Flavonoids possess antioxidant properties, which protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Ginkgolides and bilobolide are known to have anti-inflammatory effects and are believed to improve blood circulation by dilating blood vessels. These compounds work synergistically to contribute to the therapeutic effects of ginkgo biloba. Cognitive enhancement. One of the most well-researched benefits of ginkgo biloba is its potential to enhance cognitive function. Numerous studies have investigated its effects on memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance, particularly in aging populations. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology reviewed 29 randomized controlled trials and found that ginkgo biloba supplementation significantly improved cognitive function compared to a placebo in older adults. The researchers concluded that ginkgo biloba may be effective in enhancing both memory and executive function. Moreover, ginkgo biloba has shown promise in mitigating age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Research suggests that its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may protect neuronal cells from damage and improve cerebral blood flow, thereby preserving cognitive function. Cardiovascular health. Beyond its effects on cognitive function, ginkgo biloba has been studied for its potential cardiovascular benefits. The flavonoids and terpenoids present in ginkgo are believed to support cardiovascular health by reducing blood clotting and improving circulation. A systematic review published in Phytotherapy Research analyzed 16 clinical trials and reported that ginkgo biloba supplementation was associated with improved peripheral circulation and exercise tolerance in patients with peripheral arterial disease (PAD). These findings suggest that ginkgo biloba may have therapeutic implications for individuals with cardiovascular conditions. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation and oxidative stress play crucial roles in the pathogenesis of various chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease, neurodegenerative disorders, and cancer. Ginkgo biloba's potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make it a promising candidate for adjunctive therapy in managing these conditions. Studies have demonstrated that ginkgo extracts can scavenge free radicals, reduce oxidative damage to cells, and modulate inflammatory pathways in the body. Mood and mental health. Emerging research has also explored the potential benefits of ginkgo biloba for mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. A double-blind, placebo-controlled study published in the Journal of Psychiatric Research found that ginkgo biloba extract was effective in reducing symptoms of anxiety in patients with generalized anxiety disorder (GAD). The researchers attributed these effects to ginkgo's ability to modulate neurotransmitter systems, particularly serotonin and dopamine, which are involved in regulating mood. Safety and side effects. While ginkgo biloba is generally well tolerated, it may cause mild side effects such as headache, dizziness, and gastrointestinal discomfort in some individuals. Moreover, ginkgo biloba can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, antidepressants, and anticonvulsants. Therefore, it is essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting ginkgo biloba supplementation, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Conclusion: Ginkgo biloba continues to fascinate researchers and health enthusiasts alike due to its diverse therapeutic properties and long-standing cultural significance. Scientific evidence supports its potential benefits in enhancing cognitive function, improving cardiovascular health, combating inflammation, and promoting mental well-being. However, further research is needed to fully elucidate its mechanisms of action and establish its efficacy across different populations and health conditions. As with any herbal supplement, it is crucial to approach Ginkgo biloba with caution and under the guidance of healthcare professionals. While promising, its benefits should be weighed against potential risks and interactions with medications. By harnessing the power of modern research methodologies, we can continue to unlock the full potential of Ginkgo biloba and explore its role in promoting health and well-being in the 21st century.